Morning to everyone. Here I am explaining about rectifiers. I am from VVIT College from by the ECE department. Today I am discussing about rectifiers and its types, which only half wave and full wave rectifiers. Introduction to rectifiers. A rectifier is a electrical circuit that converts AC into DC, where AC is the alternative current and DC is the direct current. Which AC is the alternative current which pulses with which current is changing with respect to time. It is alternate in a graph, but DC is a constant value. So rectifier is used as AC to DC converter. It is widely used in power supplies for electronic devices. Rectifiers works based on the unidirectional property of diodes. Because diodes has unidirectional property, output of rectifiers may be pulsating DC, not pure DC. A filter is used later to smooth the DC. For the rectifier, the output may be DC. When a filter is added to it rectifiers, to pure DC will come where it is a constant value with respect to time. It is called DC. Types of rectifiers: half wave rectifier, full wave rectifier, and bridge rectifier. These are three main rectifiers, but last it is half wave, where in a period of time the half wave is repeated, but in full wave both positive and negative also shown in output signal in only a positive x-axis, positive y-axis. Bridge rectifier is alternative of full wave. Bridge rectifier is used as alternative of full wave for easy easy device for alternative of full wave. Need for rectification. Most electronic devices, radios, chargers, computers require DC supply. Power forms mains in AC. Hence rectification is essential. Rectifiers provides controlled DC voltage for stable operation. Use it in battery charging circuits because rectifier is changes to AC current to DC current, where all electronics are wants to current in a DC form because these are used in battery charging circuits. Improves efficiency of power electronic devices. It improves the efficiency in the power for the electronic device. We are widely using the electronic device in virtual world. Virtual in signal demodulation, where receiver says demodulate it. Types of rectifiers. There are three types: half wave rectifier and full wave rectifier. It also called as center tap transformer, bridge rectifier also. Here full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier is same. It gives same output, but it has differences in cost and size of the rectifier. Classified based on number of diodes used. Classified based on output waveforms quality. Each has its own advantages and disadvantages. Half wave rectifier uses only one diode for rectification. Half wave rectifier is a when a signal is input signal takes, half wave rectifier gives output as only positive cycles in a time period. It does not give negative half period. Use converts only one half cycle of AC into DC. Other half cycle is blocked. Very simple and low cost. Output is pulsating in DC with large ripples, less efficient compared to the other rectifiers. and its working principle is drawing positive half cycle. Diode is forward bias. Current flows during negative half cycle. Diode is reverse bias and no current because positive half cycle we have shown that current is pulsating, so current flows. But during negative half cycle, it is act as DC, so it constant, so no current is formed. And in the reverse bias, no current is formed in a circuit, so it's shown that negative half cycle is blocked. Hence, output is obtained only during positive cycles only. So it gives half cycles. Average DC voltage is low. Efficiency is approx 40.6% and it also called as ripple factor 1.21. It is very high in a ripple factor. Full wave rectifier uses two diode with center table transformer. Both half cycles of AC are used. Produces higher average DC output, more efficient than half wave rectifier. Output still has ripples but less than half wave rectifier. Requires center tap transformer which increase cost. It uses two diodes in a center tap transformer. Full wave rectifier uses center tap transformer, produces high average DC output, more efficient because it gives two half cycles at a time. So it is called full wave rectifier. Output has more ripples than half wave rectifier. It is the disadvantage is it is cost is increases. It working principle is during positive half cycle, one diode conducts current flows through load. During negative half cycle, other diode is conducts current again flows in same direction. So it has both cycles. Thus output is obtained during both half cycles. Average DC output is double that half wave rectifier. Efficiency it is about to 81.2%. Ripple factor 0.48. It is better to half wave rectifier. Now comparing between these two rectifiers, further dividing into a separate parameters like diodes, transformers, efficiency, ripple factor, output voltage, and cost. And there is a bridge rectifier also, but we are not considering because we are we are discussing about two rectifiers only. Here, half wave rectifier diodes are used as one. For full wave rectifier, diodes are used as two. In half wave rectifier, transformer is not required, but full wave rectifier transformer is required center tap because of two diodes are using. Efficiency, it is about 40.6. In full wave rectifier, efficiency is doubled, where 81.2 it is equal to 2 into efficiency of half wave rectifier. Ripple factor 1.21, it is very high, and full wave rectifier ripple factor is 0.48, and output voltage of half wave rectifier is low DC, and output voltage of full wave rectifier is high DC. Cost for the half wave rectifier is low. Cost for the full wave rectifier is higher. Because this cost is higher, we are using bridge rectifier as a full wave rectifier. Like same output is given as full wave rectifier. Conclusion: rectifiers are essential for converting AC to DC power. Half wave rectifier simply inexpensive but inefficient, suitable for low power applications. Full wave rectifier more efficient, better DC output, widely used, requires a center tap transformer. Overall, full wave rectifier is a preferred in most power supply circuits. By this, we can conclude that rectifiers are used for converting AC to DC power, and half wave rectifier gives only half waves halfway signal increment in input, output is given as half of the cycles in positive y-axis, but in full wave rectifier, it can give both half cycles in a positive y-axis only. So we can conclude that. Thanks. Thanks.